Friends, how are you? Warm welcome in 12th standard. In 12th standard, I will teach you physics. We start from electrostatics. First chapter is, or first unit is electrostatic. Electrostatic belongs to chapters, chapter 1 and chapter 2. In this one unit, there are two chapters. According to NCERT, I am saying chapter 1 and chapter 2, electric charge and field. Chapter 1 is electric charge and field. Or chapter 2 is electric potential and capacitance. Now question arises, what is electrostatic? इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक क्या होता है? डू यू नो? इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक मीन्स इलेक्ट्रो प्लस स्टैटिक. इलेक्ट्रो मीन्स चार्ज, स्टैटिक मीन्स रेस्ट. इट मीन्स चार्ज इन रेस्ट. in this two chapter or one unit, in these two chapters or one unit, we will study about the electrostatic, about the properties of the charge when it is in rest. As you have read in fluid mechanics, fluid is in rest and fluid is in motion. याद है आपको? Pascal law in rest, fluid is in rest, and Bernoulli's theorem when fluid is in motion. It is entire different properties. In the same way, we study here charge. Charge is in rest and charge is in motion. The charge in rest is electrostatic and charge in motion is electric current. So in the first unit or two chapters, we will study about electrostatic. Electrostatic means, if we break it in two parts, electro or static. Electro means charge. We say electro means charge and static means rest. So we will study in this unit when charge is in rest. When charge is in rest, charge हमारा बैठा हुआ है. यहाँ पे चार्ज हमारा रेस्ट में है, स्लीपिंग मोड में बैठा हुआ है. It is not moving. At our home, the electricity is coming, charge is coming. It is a charge is in motion. But here we study the charge is in rest. So first the question arises, what is charge? Charge क्या होता है बेटा? Charge is an intrinsic property, just like a mass. Not depend on others. It is an intrinsic property of a matter. It is a intrinsic means ये किसी और पे डिपेंड नहीं करता, ये अपनी एक प्रॉपर्टी है ना. इट इज ए बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी, नाइदर इट क्रिएट, ये क्रिएट नहीं कर सकते आप, है ना. मास है, मास आप क्रिएट नहीं कर सकते, मास ऐड कर सकते हैं आप. इज इट राइट? तो चार्ज इज द इंट्रिंसिक प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द मैटर. देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ चार्ज. ऑल ऑफ यू रीड इन junior classes. I just revise this. There are two types of charge. What are there? Positive and negative. There are two types of charge, positive and negative. Is it right? Now, do you know what is the SI unit of the charge? What is the SI unit of charge? SI unit of charge क्या होती है बेटा? SI unit of charge is coulomb. In chemistry, I think you have read it. Coulomb. The symbol is capital C. It is a scalar quantity. Do you know how any substance get a charge? Do you know that any body get a charge due to transfer of electron? Due to transfer of electron. Suppose there is a body A, other body B. if A lose a charge to B, initially all bodies are neutral. If anybody lose a charge, suppose it lose electron, because a body, proton never it can lose, you know, proton live in nucleus, they always lose or gain electron. Due to transfer of electron, body get charge. The body which lose electron get positive charge, and body which gain electron get negative charge. Is it right? Body which gain electron get negative charge, body which lose electron get positive charge. Now what is the dimensions of charge? Dimensions of charge. देखिए, you have read one relation for charge for electric current, I is equal to Q by T, or we can write Q is equal to IT. I is equal to Q by T, you have read in 10th standard, याद है? I is equal to Q by T, charge per unit time, and Q is equal to, we can write IT. Or you have read in 11th standard, there are 7 SI units, fundamental units. In the SI system, there are 7 fundamental units. The charge, electric current is a fundamental unit which have dimension A, and time is T. So what is the dimension of charge? Dimension of charge is AT. Is it right? Dimension of charge is A and T. Is it clear, beta? So mass is also intrinsic property of a matter. I have told you, charge is intrinsic property of a matter. The mass is also a intrinsic property of the matter. So what is the difference in mass and charge?